Hi! Thank you for watching the part 1 of how to fix laptop lagging. And now let's start. Simply go to search and type run. Then click enter. Then type prefetch. Click continue. Then you'll be able to see all of your junk files. Now, the next thing you need to do is to delete all of these files. Just simply click Ctrl A and Ctrl D. If this pop up, just click skip. That's one of your important files that your laptop don't want you to delete. Then, once again, go to search bar and type run %temp%. Then click enter. And this is all the junk files on your laptop that causes lag. Then Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl D to delete. If your laptop wants you to skip something, just skip it. Skip all of it. I know it's a lot, but skip it. Skip and skip and skip it. Trust me, you don't want to lose these files. And this is all the important files that are left. Now let's close this tab, then go to recycle bin, then empty. Always empty your bin. Next, let's go to our browser, the one that you often use. Let's clear the history, all of it. And that's it, and thank you for watching, and I hope that I could able to help to lessen the lag on your laptop. And please subscribe and leave a like on my channel. And once again, thank you.